If you got a Moen Positemp faucet and your handle's all messed up, it just keeps spinning and it just keeps leaking, like this one here in my daughter's bathroom, I'm the Handynewsman and I got a house hack for you that should be free. It'll take you about 10 minutes. Usually this is the problem. It's the cartridge. It goes inside here. I went on Moen's warranty website. I filled out the information. I sent them a picture of my faucet. I bought this about 10 years ago. I didn't even have the receipt. And they sent me this and they sent me this a week later for free because this has a lifetime warranty. I'm going to show you how to put it in. First step and most important step, turn off your water. Then open a couple of faucets and let the water drain out. Hear that sound? That means the water is draining out. This is the cartridge. Now we're going to pull this pin out and notice cold is on the right, hot is on the left. So we're going to make sure to put the new cartridge in just like that. Pin comes out. If you've been wrenching on it and just can't get that dang cartridge out, it's probably because the pieces of rubber inside there have broken off. So here's a pro tip, and it's a lifesaver. Get yourself one of these. It's a cartridge puller, $10 on Amazon. Put some grease in there. Again, making sure hot and cold are lined up. And here's one more pro tip for you. I couldn't get the cartridge to slide all the way in past this ridge. I saw other people were having the same problem, and they used sandpaper. So I grabbed a sheet of 150 grit, sanded around the edge just enough to take off whatever was stopping it, and then it slid all the way in. Perfect. Here we go.